Struggling to find where to change your YouTube end screen? In 4 minutes, I will show you exactly how to edit it in YouTube Studio. We are going to start from your channel dashboard, click through to Content, then the Editor, and finally the End Screen tab. Let us go. All right, so the first thing you need to do is open up YouTube Studio. You're probably already logged into your channel, so just head to studio.youtube.com. This is your command center. Everything you need to manage your videos lives right here on this dashboard. So once you are on the dashboard, look over on the left-hand sidebar. You will see a menu with a few different options. The one you want is the second one down. It says Content. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all of your uploaded videos live. Now you will see a list of all your videos. The most recent one will usually be at the top. Find the video where you want to change the end screen. Once you have it, look to the right of the video title. You will see a few icons. The one that looks like a little pencil, that is the Edit button. Or you can just click directly on the thumbnail of the video itself. Either way works. Go ahead and click on that video. This opens up the video details page. It can feel like a lot of options, but we are looking for one specific thing. Look at the row of tabs right under the video preview. You will see things like Details, Audience, Checks, and then there is one that says Editor. Click on that Editor tab. This is the video editor. And here is the really important part. Right underneath the video preview, you will see 3 tabs. There is Trim, there is Blur, and then all the way to the right, there is End Screen. Click on End Screen. Now you're in the End Screen editor. This is where the magic happens. You will see a little pop-up or a panel on the right side. At the top of that panel, there is a button that says Apply Template. Click on that. A few different template options will appear. These are pre-made layouts that YouTube gives you. You can see what each one looks like on the preview. The first one is usually a simple layout that just promotes a single video. The second one might have space for a video and a playlist. And the third one might let you promote a video and ask people to subscribe. You can click on any one of these to see it applied to your video. The preview updates right there, so you can see exactly what your viewers will see in the final 20 seconds of your video. Once you find one you like, just click on it to select it. And there you have it. You have successfully changed your end screen. From zeroing in on the right menu to applying a clean template in just a few clicks, it is a lot simpler than it looks when you know exactly where to go. Now you can go back, update the rest of your videos, and make sure every single one of them has a great end screen, driving people to your next piece of content. Thanks for watching.